Good morning, dear traders. Welcome to InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. Risk appetite has significantly improved after the conclusion of a trade truce between the United States and China. The US dollar is inched up against the euro and the yen. Although there was no long-term peace agreement between the parties, the results of the meeting were in line with the traders' expectations. Donald Trump and Xi Jinping agreed to resume trade negotiations with a promise to halt the imposition of new tariffs. The only unexpected decision for the market was the permission of American companies to sell their products to the Chinese tech giant Huawei. Traders reacted positively to the news from the G20 summit. The greenback is recovering after its long-term decline amid such sentiments. The US dollar is moving higher against its rivals. Its index rose to 96.56. However, the further growth of the US currency is likely to be limited as the Fed is hinting at a possible key rate cut. The US dollar grew the most against the euro and the yen. During the Asian session, the quotes of the dollar-yen pair soared up to 108.45. However, the pair is still under the control of peers. The Swiss franc gave in to the greenback as well. Traders are willing again to buy risk-sensitive currencies. The chances of a US-China trade deal have increased, and Beijing has benefited the most from the G20 summit results. It may help the Chinese economy in the future, but as for now, it is experiencing a recession in some branches of industry. Purchasing Managers' Index (PMI) for the manufacturing sector remained unchanged in June, while analysts forecast an increase. The Australian dollar has moved away from its early reached highs. Today, the AUD USD pair is trading at 0.6996. Analysts predict that the Australian dollar and the Chinese yuan will continue to weaken against the US currency. At the moment, traders are less interested in trade tensions between Beijing and Washington. They are going to watch more closely US data and statistics. You were watching Market News on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.